the performances will start and the award function will continue. And our first guest performance will be by Vipin Aneja. We'll take 5 minutes to arrange for the stage. And in the meantime, we'll have वो सिंगिंग के लिए है वो सिंगिंग के लिए कुरैशी साहब आपके लिए 2 सवाल हैं प्लीज कम डॉक्टर कुरैशी can we ask any questions in terms of policy, health policies and etc.
I have a question from Dr. Qureshi. He has mentioned and he has asked doctors to be specially considerate to reduce the price because he said that if you are in a hospital for 3 months or if you have to get medical services for 3 months, your earnings gone. And for 6 months, it's that the next generation is in loans. So I have to tell you the same problem is with the doctors. And let me tell you, it's not the doctor's fees, which is very, very high, but it is the cost of equipments and the nursing care. For that, I will request, since you are in the governance, I request the government agency to bring the cost down to the middle class people and for even the intellectuals, so that these things, the medical facilities are available and affordable by majority, and the same thing is true for the doctors as well. So I, on the other hand, I request you on behalf of the segment, that segment who thinks that they are not very well off or who are not very, very rich, that this medical facility should be available to masses, the best of the services, for which the government should give some subsidiary, some sort of encouragement to the nursing homes, to the hospitals and other services, so that they are affordable. And the doctor's fees is not very high. That is a wrong information to you. I can tell you that most of the doctors are charging very less. And let me tell you, if you look at the doctors, even such a high intellectual people, they are living a very ordinary life when you compare from the other people in the society. So, Dr. Qureshi, please.
I entirely agree with you, Doctor.